Lakers, baby. Let's go, baby. Oh, they got the stars in there. The Hellcat Daytona? I've never seen that one. That's right, baby. Lake Show, baby. Yes, sir. Hey. Oh, you guys saw that? What's good, guys? You guys see it, man? Lake Show, baby. You guys see the merch and all that, man. Hey, it's a celebration. I don't drink or nothing, so I'm about to go soup up my boy. I came to grub real quick. I was just with him. My boy B, my boy Brian. You guys seen him before if you're familiar with the content. And we about to go cruise, baby. We about to go cruise Broadway because I'm in Cali, bro, so it's a bunch of Laker fans. And even if they ain't Laker fans, they Laker fans tonight. You know how them people be. But either way, bruh, fuck it. It's a celebration. We gonna go cruise and see what we can get into. So I'm gonna see you guys in a minute, man. Yeah, you already know what time it is. Stay tuned. You guys see it, man? Hold up, man, before we leave. Come on, man. The Bean. The motherfucking GOAT. I don't care what you say. Hey, I appreciate you, LeBron, but this is the GOAT to me. If you're talking to me, man, put some respect on it. Big Kobe Bryant, baby. Mamba all day. Let's go, baby. Champs, baby. Let's go. We out of here. Comfy boys today, you know, or tonight, this evening. Staying comfy with it. Sir, I got my goddamn hands full, but we out of here, man. About to go see what's good. You guys see the whip. And I just started, but we'll see, man. See if we can get a good little startup for you guys. I just turned it off. But, you know, I'll give you guys something here. Okay, not too shabby. Oh, man. Lake Show, man. Never change the message. Big fucking Nip, bro. Come on, man. Mamba and the Nip. You know what I'm saying? And so many others. You guys don't even know, baby. This has been for life right here. I don't know if you guys know or not. Lake Show. All you guys that's been a fan of a sports team for life, you know what I'm saying? Especially the Lakers, it hits different, bro. Supposedly it's Father's Daughter Day today. You know what I'm saying? We just lost Kobe, bro. We just lost Nip. You know what I'm saying, man? Shit's been crazy. This one hits a little different, man. We've been spoiled, bro. We've been spoiled as Lakers fans. You know, this is what we're used to. We're used to this shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Kobe and Shaq, Robert Horry, you know, Derek Fisher, Devin George, Mad Dog Mark. Yeah, people about to be going crazy out here. The list goes on, man. Phil Jackson. How could you forget Phil? Philly Phil, man. I was about to go eat, but then I was like, you know what? Fuck that, bro. I guarantee you it's about to be lit. Guarantee you. Lakers, baby. You know what I'm saying? That young Nip. Yeah, you guys see it? Lakers, baby. Let's go, baby. I'm telling you, bruh. Santa Maria gets lit, bro, when shit goes down. This is the street.
Shit goes up and when shit goes down.
Yeah, we'll go down this way. They'll flip it back around. See, people acting crazy and shit, bruh. I'm telling you. You see the Lakers right there too? Lakers, baby! You already know. There it is. Yes, sir. We gotta flip around again. Oh, they got the stars in there. You don't want the smoke? The smoke, bruh. I never seen that one, I don't think. Oh shit. Oh, I thought that was a cop right there. Now we gotta flip around real quick. That's how you do it on Broadway.
Flip over to my client's place right here, Mount Mike.
Oh yeah, big clients. They got the fireworks and shit. Oh, is that my boy Gio? See, all the challenges are out, bro. I'm about to just flip it right here, act crazy, real dumb with it. Should I? Just fucking do a little donut and shit, dog? He said, I don't know about the donut, dog, you know. Got the Hellkeezy. I don't know, but I'm flipping it right here. Oh shit, sorry my boy. I had to catch up with the damn flag. See, they're out here doing fireworks and all that.
I thought of a good ass idea. I'm gonna buy a little join our VIP club sign for my client with the QR code.
Oh, that's my boy right there.
Put it in the fucking drive-thru of Starbucks.
It's good, G. How's it going? Lake Show, baby. The Hellcat Daytona? I've never seen that one. How does it say SRT? Wait up. That says 392 on the side though. Why the fuck it say SRT? No, that ain't the Hellcat. I wonder if he put SRT on there. Or if Daytonas are SRTs. I'm pretty sure they're not. Put up on fucking shorty real quick. What's up, dog? I don't know, I'm just cruising. That's right, baby, Lake Show, baby! Yes, sir! It's all love, fucking, that type of shit brings people together.
Lake Show, baby!
Lake Show.
You just almost ran into me?
No, who, him?
Yeah, we were coming, you know how you merged on that side coming up to this lane?
Yeah.
I think he was following his other homie, right? And he tried to go in there too, I was like, fuck.
Damn. Big Lakers, baby. That's right, big Lake Show, baby. And he's bumping the nib. Got the Kobe jersey in the window, bumping the nib. Come on, man. What's this motherfucker? What is that, a Kia? I heard those Kias get pretty fast though. Check him out, he's bumping that nib.
Yeah.
I know. Hell yeah. I see you guys bumping that nip too. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. Got to, man.
About the dog too? That's
Yes,
right.
sir. Big Lakers.
Fuck yeah.
I don't know what that was. You guys see it, man? I don't know if you guys can see it. Santa Maria Town Center. You guys seen it before? See my boy Shorty right here in the 1LE. Thank you, I appreciate that. Huh? What'd he say? I don't know what that boy's saying, but hey, what the hell's this fool doing? This fool's faded, huh? Look at him.
Hey, is that intersection back there police box?
Police box?
If they got shit on the ground to make the ass end come loose?
It gets loose.
It is.
Yeah, it gets loose.
I kept driving
Yo, this fool's faded as hell. This fool's faded. We gotta get away from this motherfucker. He's about to make us crash and shit. Hey, he's faded, bruh.
What?
I don't know what the fuck he said. Yo, we just found the dude from the Water Boy and shit. Ski dog.
Oh, Meg.
What the hell is you saying, bruh? There's fucking 18 peace signs and shit.
Robbie came up on Broadway getting off. You wouldn't have saw that.
Exactly, bro. Fucking guy. Oh shit.
What?
Oh shit. I don't know what the fuck he was saying, bruh.
Dude.
That thing got an intersection make you get loose back there.
Dude.
That fool's faded, bro. I don't know what the fuck he said.
No, I can speak Ebonics, but I couldn't understand what the fuck that fool was
He
saying.
said something about getting loose.
If they got shit on the ground to make the ass ends come loose. What? What's your name?
Yo, Yo, Lake Show, baby. Big Lake Show. Okay, fucking Santa Maria for
That
you.
dude almost crashed.
Bro, he almost crashed like 4 times, bro. What the fuck? I had to get away from him. Hopefully he don't catch up to us.
Oh my god, that was funny.
That fool's faded, dog.
That was comedy. Shout out to that guy, really be being tonight.
Bro, that fool was faded, bro. Oh, there he is. Oh no, that ain't him. He was acting dumb, bro. He almost fucking crashed and shit a couple. He did? Oh shit. Oh hell no, I would have whooped his ass right now. Would have got big content.
You would have told me to record. Hey, Brian, record. I thought he was gonna hit one of the cars.
Bro, he was close. I'm telling you, I don't know if you guys seen it in the video, but
You recorded that?
yeah, hell yeah, I recorded. I hope I did. If you guys can understand what the fuck he said, if any of you guys speak that language, I know I got a diverse crowd out there.
At least I could, you know, interpret, but I couldn't do that today. I couldn't understand what the fuck he was saying.
If you guys can help us out. Oh, that's him?
Oh, Tommy!
Damn, look at he's acting dumb, bro. Oh, fuck. He probably thinks we're gonna turn. Hey. Oh, you guys saw that? He's acting dumb. And I told you guys it gets lit out here. I ain't never seen that guy before.
That dang iron bring the intersection in the back there get loose. Right there. Right there. Let go. What?
Damn, fool!
What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck was he on? He wasn't even a Laker fan, he was just all fucked up.
Should have yelled back at him.
Not that thing. Not that thing.
Yo, you should have, bruh. That should have been hella funny.
Hey.
Guy.
Damn, we should have followed him, huh?
It's like a roller coaster.
Yo, I had to do it at least once, bruh. Lake Show, baby, no? Little celebration, you know what I'm saying? Lake Show, baby.
Hopefully one of your followers can fucking figure out what the fuck homeboy said out there on Broadway, because I sure don't.
Straight up, all I heard was, that thing ain't loose in the back. Yeah, I mean, Alright then, bruh.
Thanks,
Big fucking lake show, you already know.
17-ton trim.
Yes, sir. Go follow my boy B too. Stay tuned for that Brian is marketing.
Brian is marketing. Stay tuned real quick.
Yes, sir. Lake show, baby. Alright, hit you up, G. Yeah, guys. Big lake show, though, man. Big fucking lake show. You guys see it? Rest in peace to the Mamba, man. Rest in peace to GG and everybody else who lost their life that day. Rest in peace to King Nip, the Great. You know what I'm saying? Rest in peace to motherfucking Bendo, man. You guys don't know Bendo, that's another legend right there. Man, big lake show, baby. I don't drink or nothing, man, and my boy Brian ain't drinking right now either, so, you know, we gotta celebrate somehow, you know? Gotta celebrate it, man, gotta celebrate it. How you guys feel, man? Where all my Laker fans at? All my Laker fans, I'm gonna need you to put a 17 in the comments. Put a snake in the comments, put a flag in the comments. A checkered flag for Nipsey, a snake for Kobe. If you notice that I always put a snake and a flag, that's for Nipsey and Kobe, man. And put a 17 in there, put a 24 and an 8 in there. We out here, baby. Had to just come out and have a little fun though, you know. I wanted to take you guys along with me, just show you how we do it again. I know I've taken you guys several times, so you can see how we do it here in my city. And you know, we get active, man. We get active out here, man. A lot of people don't know. We like to have fun though, man. You know, we have a good time. That's what it's all about. At the end of the day, that's what it's all about, man. Nothing but love to everybody out there. What's this? We got a little SS. Yeah, man. You guys see the merch? Go cop the merch, man. Go cop the merch if you want to support the kid. You know, the gaming channel is up. So I just dropped my first video not too long ago. I'm gonna be dropping the next one very, very soon, probably within the next couple days here. And you know, streaming starts as soon as I get that console, man. But I'm gonna be doing reviews, you know, side-by-side comparisons of the consoles. I'm getting both PlayStation and Xbox, so stay tuned for that. Just stay tuned for everything we got coming, baby. We going up. You know what I'm saying? Just like the Lakers. This is their year, this is my year, baby. You know what I'm saying? Rookie of the year of this YouTube shit. I don't know, hello, I'm Jensen, doing pretty goddamn good, but you know, that boy be drifting and all types of other shit. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. You know, just a fun little video for everybody that wanted to take a little trip. Any Laker fans and stuff, or just anybody wanting to, you know, kick it with me and my boy B. Go follow my boy Brian is marketing. But other than that, guys, that's gonna do it. LouieXIII checking out. Salute. Appreciate you guys as always, man. I'm gonna catch you on the next one, alright?